Hi, I'm Kevin Crilley, Regional Educator for Montgomery County Parks, Trails, and Historic Sites. And today we're going to take a quick look at our recent project completed by a Girl Scout from Boyertown. And this is our bird garden here, bird-friendly garden. And right here we have an illustration. This young lady beautifully executed of the 10 most common feeder birds people would expect to see at the feeding station here. And so Green Lane Park's very well known and very storied, ornithologically speaking, but this is for folks that aren't real well versed in bird life, and this is a good starting point to observe birds, common birds, at a feeding station like this. So we're going to go ahead and walk around and go on in, I think. And we have some mammal visitors that don't know they're not birds. Eastern gray squirrels. Very much at home here, aren't they? Not so scared of people. So here we have our bird feeding, whatever we want to call these, our pole system. There we go. The idea is to try to keep the squirrels off the bird feeders with these baffles. They work to a point, and then beyond that, not so much. And in here, Marley, the Girl Scout in question, planted native shrubs that we gave her a recommended list. So these are all native to Southeast Pennsylvania and all bird friendly. We have Arrowwood by Burnham here, about to bloom, and Bottlebrush Buckeye, American Hollies, Silky Dogwood, and in the back, Serviceberry, also known as Shadbush or Shadblow, and then over near the gate, another winterberry. So the idea is to keep the deer out of here, but deer, of course, can hop over a fence up to 8 feet tall, so we can't keep them out entirely. So very soon, when the weather cooperates, I'll be spraying these with a environmentally friendly deer repellent, something called Plant Skid, and that keeps the deer at bay a little bit, keeps them from browsing all this stuff. And then recently, our Friends of Green Lane Park group added some bird-friendly perennial beds. So we have, just 2 weeks ago, we have bee balm here, Monarda didyma, which is a well-known hummingbird attractant. So it'll get about 3 to 4 feet tall and has these beautiful red flower clusters at the top. Some people have compared it to fireworks exploding, like an aerial fireworks display. So this is going to be a real nice addition here for our nectar-loving birds. And then over here, these guys need water very soon, like today I got to do this. But we have purple coneflower, which is a good butterfly and bee plant in the summertime, but then in the fall, when the flower heads mature, American goldfinches and other songbirds love to eat the seeds. So Echinacea purpurea is the botanical name, the Latin name. And these, again, will get about 3 feet tall and will spread very nicely for us. And yeah, so it's going to be a very different look come July, since we're in mid-May right now.